Hello everyone and welcome to Beae tutorial series. In this video we will be discussing product review integration in our Beae page builder. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Before starting, let me tell you that Beae have over 80 different app integrations, which are really great part of Beae page builder as they provide you flexibility to incorporate different features for your pages and templates. The point to be noted here is that every single integration will not be available in every single Beae template which you can access from the drop down above. As you can see, if I switch to my home page, most of the integrations are not visible in here. Similarly, some of them might not be visible on products page itself. So right now, as you can see, we are at front end section of our page, and here as you can see we have a couple of items added, and below in here what I want above this related products, I want to add product reviews in here. Also, the reviews that are added by our customers should be displayed in here. To do so, what you can do is simply head over to your Beae page builder. From here you're going to be heading over to elements, and from there you are going to be dropping down this extensions section. In here you can see I have added a couple of extensions, and to add an extension you simply need to drag all the way to the bottom until you see add new extension option. Click on that, and after that you can see a new window just pops up, and in here you can see extension, pages and my templates. Make sure you are set to all categories, and here you're going to be searching product review. Once you enter product review, in here you can see the product review appears, and you simply have to install this from here. So I have already installed this extension, so you can see the uninstall now option is visible at my end, which also lets you know that you can uninstall your extensions. Just close your window and you can see our extension is added in our extension drop down section. From here you're going to be now choosing the area where you want to add this particular extension. So I want to add this above related product. I'm going to be simply dragging and dropping it onto my page, and you can see our product review is now added. Now you might not be able to see the preview of these extensions as it is not available on the Beae page builder itself. You can also see that it is saying that preview of this extension is not available. In case you want to preview it, you're going to be update your changes and hit preview, and in the front end section it will be visible. Let's just quickly add another element of stars. Here you can see in the extension section I have the star rating extension, which also comes with the product review extension. Drag and drop it onto your page, or what you can do is go to your navigator, and from there you can add another column and simply drag and drop your star rating in front of that. So now you can see we have two extensions added. Let's just quickly head over to our front end section and see how is it looking. So right now we are on our front end section, and from there you need to drag all the way to the bottom where we added our star rating. So you can see our customer reviews and our star rating is now being visible in here. You can see when a customer click on write a review, currently it is saying that no reviews yet. When our customer click on write a review, you can see a few options just pops up. In here you have your write your name, your email address, and you can see you have the star options and with a cool animation as well. You also have your review title, and finally you have the body of the review. Star rating integration, and what this do is basically it shows the number of reviews that are left, and it is basically going to be displaying the number of rating this particular website will be having. So yeah guys, that was pretty much it for the product review extension. So yeah guys, that was pretty much it for the product review integration, and I really hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.